Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to explode objects in MicroSurvey CAD. Exploding objects simply means to break apart a polygon or a polyline into its individual line segments. So let's start with this square. First, go up to the top toolbar and click Edit. Move over to the right here and click Explode. Now simply select your object and hit Enter. As you can see, each side of this square is now its own line segment that can be moved, rotated, and edited individually. If I click on one, I can even see its length and bearing. So let's do this one more time. I'm going to click Explode and then select the rest of these objects. As soon as I hit Enter, notice that the command window states that two were not able to explode. That's because one cannot explode arcs or circles. This 16-sided polygon, however, was exploded, and I can now edit its line segments as I please. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing, it really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.